Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Stremio XO failure to play this video. In this video, seeing before you are begin, subscribe to support my YouTube channel. These steps one by one follow to this problem fix it. Let's go ahead the steps. First step, restart. So go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click here to restart your system. Then go to the next step. If this try to does not working, then go to the next step, reset internet connection. So for this, go to the in the search bar and type settings. You can click to open the settings and you can select network and internet. Then scroll down, you can find advanced network settings. Then you can select network reset. After that, r- right side you can see reset now. Then click here. Then come to confirmation. Yes, click to wait 5 minutes. After that, automatically restart your system. Network reset with your system automatically restart. Then go to the next step. Try VPN connection. If this try to sometimes this method work it, just try it. Then after that your problem should be fixed. If you have any doubt, comment section go to comment. I will reply. If this method working or not working, comment section go to comment. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.